everyone, I'm Lilo. Today I'll be showing you how to create content with my avatar in VRM Live Viewer. This is the program I use to bring my VRM avatar, downloaded and customized through Union Avatars, to life. Let's get started. First things first, uploading our avatar, it's super easy. Just select the VRM file you downloaded and there I am, ready to go. Now let's see how to orbit the avatar. This is really useful for checking out every angle and adjusting our character. Just use your mouse and drag to rotate. This way, you can find the perfect angle for your video. Here, we can upload custom motions or use the ones that come with the program. I chose this one for my video, and I really like it. One of my favorite parts, changing the background. You can choose from different scenes to set the mood you want for your video. Solid colors, creative settings, or even your own custom background. Just download a background you like and upload it here. It's such an easy way to change up the vibe. Oh, this background is perfect for my video. I absolutely love this setting. I think it's going to look amazing. To really bring the content to life, let's add sound or music. You can adjust the background music or add sound effects that represent you. VRM Live Viewer has preset sounds, or you can import your own. This takes your content to the next level. I downloaded this Blackpink song. Let's see how it fits with the video.
Blackpink in your area. Blackpink in your...
And that's how easy it is to bring your avatar to life in VRM Live Viewer. If you want to see more content like this, don't forget to subscribe and drop a comment with your ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.